Tiniyak ni House Committee on Justice Chairperson at Batangas 2nd District Representative Jervy Luistro na magiging patas ang kanilang pagdinig sa impeachment complaint laban kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. Ito'y sa gitna ng patuloy na pagsuporta ng tinatawag na supermajority ng Kamara sa Pangulo. Sa panayam ng Super Radio DZWB, sinabi ni Luistro na bahagi ng constitutional duty ng Kamara ang proseso ng impeachment. Iginit ni Luistro na magiging tapat sila sa sinumpaang tungkulin at patas na diringgin ang impeachment complaint.
The allegations must be based on personal knowledge and authentic record. That's what the verification provides.
Samantala, sinabi ng komite na hanggat wala pa sa kanila ang impeachment complaint, ay hindi pa gugulong ang 1-year bar rule at maaari pang mag-hire ng iba pang impeachment complaint at ma-consolidate o mapagsama ito.
If ever there will be subsequent complaint, like what you said, by another group against the president, no? Kung mag-aabot ito right before the referral to the Justice Committee, yes, perhaps it can be consolidated.
Ang tinig ni Batangas 2nd District Representative Jervy Luistro, Chairperson, House Committee on Justice.